is my second vlog. So, as I said, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. I got, so far I got 10 subscribers and 130 views for the two videos, the ad-free and the annoying people on board airplane. I had a rough day today. First of all, my school had sport day, and we went to this field, to this big sport mall. It's not like sport mall, but yes, there is a football field, and then there's another football field. Actually, there's three football field, and then the other one is like for games. So we had sprinting, athletics, we had relays, we had fun games. Fun games included the sponge. So basically you take the sponge, you fill it, you soak it with water, then you have to take it to the other way, to the other side, and then put the water in the bucket, bring it back, pass it to the other one, and go back until the referee stop the water, stop the pump, and take the height of how much have you put in the bucket. And my grade, my year, the boys team won. This is me. And so yeah, I had pretty fun today, except I was tired and a bit disappointed that it was my last school day in my school here in Geneva. This year it was pretty amazing. Got some plans tomorrow. I'm having a school day again, but I'm helping the PYP in Japan. And next video then I'll get back to you.
Okay, students, शो के बारे में सीखा? अब आगे बढ़ते हैं।
कभी कभी ब्रेक लो, किटकैट खाओ, न जाने अगला पल क्या ले आए। किटकैट ब्रेक बनता है।
Hey guys, we're back. So, what was I gonna say? We go back to school this afternoon, and it's about 6:30. We go back to school by 3 o'clock. And we stayed in our homeroom classes as our homeroom teacher told us. For the first time ever, we could use our phones in homeroom, because the other days we're not allowed when we were having our homeroom teacher before break. We asked for the first period, and this time I can't believe that Mr. Campbell, teacher, our homeroom teacher, let us use our phones. By the way, I went downstairs to the mailbox before coming home, like the video, and I'll see you next week.